If you walk up with these marks, bedbugs are already on your bed. Bedbugs are small insects. They feed on human blood. These are the cyanobedbugs. Rat bite mark on your body. Blood spot on your bedsheet. Black dot near mattress. Where bedbugs hide. Mattress seams. Bed frame crack. Sofa joint behind switchboard. Most of the people spray only on the bed. But bedbugs hide everywhere. Why bedbugs are too much dangerous? Because bedbugs do not separate disease, but they cause skin infection, allergy, stress, sleepless night. The biggest mistake people makes is they use cheap spray. That does not kill the bedbugs. It only separates them from one room to other room or one kitchen to other kitchen. I will tell you professional control use. First of all, deep inspection, crack treatment, proper chemical dose, and multiple visit on the same spot. The final warning is that only female bedbug can produce hundreds of the bedbugs in a single week. If you ignore it, the problem becomes serious and serious and serious. If you want to control this at house level without money, the best way is hot steam treatment that kill the eggs. Second is washing bedsheet with hot water. Third is vacuum mattress and crack. The fourth one is put the bedsheet or mattress under the sunlight. If you want to use chemical, I will recommend use vinegar to spray on the cracks or heat from the hair dryer in small areas. Only one method is not enough. Best control is the combination of all these. For heavy infestation, always contact the pest control team. Early action, save money and health. If you face any problem, contact me. I will tell you everything.